you know? So it's like, what's an architect without, you know, a construction team, you know? Well, you can have some nice models, but that's about it, right?
Good morning. Good morning. Now we have a full day planned. We're going to, I think, catch the bus downtown to La Candelaria and see Museo de Oro.
Then we're going to get street food for lunch. And then we have a scheduled graffiti tour.
Bueno. So we're at the local bus stop, catching the bus to downtown. Hasta luego.
So we just finished at the Gold Museum.
And it was really cool. I learned a lot about pre-Columbian and Colombian history. One thing that's interesting is that the gold and the relics here are all owned by the people. So it's illegal to take any gold that you find out of the country or sell it. And now we're off to get some lunch. So we didn't find lunch, but we did find a couple of street vendors where we got funnel cake, Colombian funnel cake, I don't know what it's called, and some fried plantains.
Yeah.
They were good.
And then we got coffee.
And now we made it to our graffiti tour, and so now we're going to go walk for a few hours and learn about the history of graffiti in Bogotá.
Artist. So to not talk about it in certain walls would be kind of like a dishonor to the piece. Now, graffiti is nothing new. Graffiti is nothing new. Graffiti has been as old as, you know, kind of like when we learned how to write. So.
A lot of really cool talent inside, and we also want to be able to kind of teach the artists that they do have a possibility to live off their work as well. So here at the house, we've been able to make it possible for the artists to receive 100% of the price that they ask for their pieces. As you can see by the size of this door, the house was built for Colombians, so somebody told us guys something to watch our heads. Cool? Thank you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Welcome, come on in.
So we just finished the graffiti tour with
Bogotá Graffiti Tour. I don't know if that's upside down or not. Okay, so yeah, it was a great tour. We learned a lot. I actually learned a lot about anti-government and anti-war, more liberal part of Colombia.
I think I learned more about current Colombia than I have in any of the other tours.
Yeah, it was mainly the last 20 years or 40 years.
To me, I think the art just really tells a story about what's going on, and it's not just some writing on a wall. It's an artistic expression that releases different emotions in a, in my opinion, really beautiful way.
So we went to a restaurant, but the wait was pretty long, and Jennifer wasn't feeling well, so we got tamale to go, and so we're gonna eat it back at home.
Okay.